What's up, guys? It's your boy Ninja Paints Fronting, and today is a different day. We're gonna go unbox it today. Because why the heck not? I had to wait a whole school day to unbox it. Anyway, yeah, let's get into this. Every Christmas they buy you something under $50. So let's get into it. I took it out on the box because I couldn't wait and I thought I had time. Okay. Literally just fell out. Just collapsed on himself. This is the main model. Let's take it out. Ah, fudge. So this is like the fuselage. Yeah, it's a rocket ship. Yeah. Space shuttle landing. Yeah. Perfectly landing. Butter. Fuselage. Yes! Has all the parts to snap on. No, okay. But take them out. These nuts tucked in the top. These are the parts we gotta use. These are the wings. This is Skymarks. I wish I had all of those. Just trust me. I'd be a happy boy if I had all of these. I'm just picking them up my model. This is my Delta 747. The display stick broke because I'm gonna try taking it out. But yeah, just sits there. And this is my model cars and stuff. But we gotta get back to the video. This is the display stick. Let's go ahead and take it here. Here's the manual. Oh wow! Just falls in. Okay. Anyway, let's put this here. Put this here, and now we am up. And we're gonna take this. Oh, you're gonna take all this out. Okay, I have a tail. This stick. Oh wow, it had an extra T-tail. It had horizontal stabilizer. I was wondering what that was. God. Oh my god, guys. And since it doesn't want to budge, we'll cut it open. I'm cutting it second now. So it turns out I put the wing the wrong way and upside down. Oof. For the video, guys, make sure to like the video, comment what you thought, and of course subscribe. Have a good day, people. See you all later. Peace.